Well, we're getting ready, doing some pre-work for Walker Logistics. They're going to be coming and clearing all the brush and doing some forestry mulching and bush hogging. Lost my train of thought. So what we're trying to do is see where the leftover fencing stakes.
Yeah, there's a rebar.
Yeah, we're going to try to get those out. And we got sections down here. So we just don't want the forestry blade to get caught up and be able to clear all of this land. You got it out. Nice.
Yeah.
You got a little more leverage. That's what we're trying to get out.
No, that's metal.
No, that's metal. That's what we're trying to get out.
All it's like high tensile wire.
Yeah, it's the high tensile wire that's run all the way to the barn. And we started this earlier. We just need to continue.
I just wiggle back and forth down towards the bottom. Okay.
So here is one that is like all up in there.
Okay.
And we have found the wire because it got caught on the, oh, it's loose.
Sweet.
Nice, okay. Gonna keep pulling since it's cooked.
Okay.
I got a big one! Mama! I got a big one! Problem is, I think that one's like grown into that tree. Sweet. Got it? Nice. Nice.
A little.
Inhabited for years. This is kind of cool. This is what they would use for cattle, and they would string it across the trees, and it would help with the fly control. The cows would come under it and kind of rub their backs. They could put stuff on it to help with the flies. But that's kind of cool. I've seen Just a Few Acres Farm have a setup similar to this. All right, well, we're here today with Michael Houston, and he is here with Walker Logistics. Appreciate you guys coming out. They're going to be doing some land clearing. Tell us a little bit about your company and what you guys do.
Well, we are Walker Logistics. We do mainly grading and excavation, anything from clearing to basement, crawl space digs, all the way up to finished grading, and we put in septic systems.
Awesome.
And also we do some forestry mulching.
Nice. So they're going to be out here clearing the land for us. We prepped that yesterday, getting that ready for them. And every grown man's dream is to watch play with those big machinery. So we're excited about them. We're going to catch them on some film, give them a shout out, and I'll leave a link to their Facebook page in our description, and we'll give you some highlights of them clearing the land. So appreciate you guys coming out today. that's pretty awesome. So all that was brush and trees. This is where we were yesterday, digging out posts. No thorns. But all that roofing metal tin. Didn't even know we had this. Wow. There's more up here. Clearing the land, you never know what you're gonna find. Now he has switched to the bush hog attachment, going through and just cleaning up all this sage grass and overgrown brush so we can get back in there and overseed, maybe get some fresh grass growing this spring. Wow, the before and after, just amazing. Appreciate Michael and his wife, Crystal, for coming out with Walker Logistics. Working hard today. It was really fun watching. Couple of surprises along the way. Now we've got access to the old goat barn, or I think it was like a cattle, like a calf weaning area. But the fence is cleared on that. The fields have been bush hogged. Got clear access to the barn. And man, just the brush that's like back behind me is just unreal. the before and after. So they did a fantastic job. Took them most of the day. We appreciate them. So you can check them out, Walker Logistics. They're based out of here near the Hickory area, Burke County area, Catawba County, and any of the surrounding counties. So you can check them out on Facebook. And appreciate you guys watching as we clear the land today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.